morning and welcome to day one at Run in the Sun, Myrtle Beach. Beautiful day here, sun's out, a little cold, but it's warming up. Let's go check out some hot rods.
We could see clearly now. We could see clearly now. Never can stop. We could see clearly now. We could see clearly now. We could see clearly now. Clearly now.
What do y'all think about this? Camaro. Side pipe. That's America for you right there. What do y'all think about that? That's kind of odd, ain't it? Unique. Camaro 4x4. You ever seen one of them? '67 Chevelle. Nice, very nice. I like the paint on that. Got a Coronet 500 convertible, 1969. Got a nice, beautiful red Chevy too. Wheelwood brakes. Looks like a 4-speed. B-roll, I'll get my B-roll.
Listen, I'll get whatever B-roll I want to.
I'm gonna get C-roll then.
You get C-roll?
That's like
with that Crown Royal roll.
Quit trying to take up my. I just did that video. You quit. You quit following me around and trying to get.
All right, guys, game time.
I'm going over here.
Hey, Vince. What car did that race in?
Huh?
What car did that race in?
What are you talking about?
what race?
Why are you continuing to follow me on my videos? Listen. I'm trying to get video and he's trying to hijack my video. So let's go check this stuff out. All right, Shane. You like being on camera? You want to tell me about your car? No. Shane Songwright. Hi. Custom Interiors. QA1 is a gasser. Shane's getting ready to finish Juan's 70 Camaro at the shop. He does interior work. Check out his car.
Hey guys, it says Fred X.
That is so cool. Look at that.
That's extremely cool.
Got the stamp box back there. No CD.
Hey, they got framed Mater, which is over there on the other side.
This is cool. Oh, let's look
at the bullet holes.
Oh, he's going postal too.
Going postal.
All right, so now we got a 55 3100 Chevy truck, 383 stroker. Check this out. The paint job's amazing on it. Come on through.
Hey, go around the other side and look at the fast food tray.
Oh yeah.
That's fun.
Look, it's got the same air breather we got on ours. Oh man, I'm hungry.
You hungry?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm really thirsty.
Dylan ain't got nothing on me. I can do that same stuff he does.
Alright, y'all. We know you guys are fan favorites of the Indian Outlaw Apache. Check this one out. Look at that thing. It's on the ground.
That's cool right there.
That is very cool.
It's just too good not to take a picture of. Oh, I know. It's your truck. No, it's my buddy's. Is it? We've got one over at our shop. Call it the Indian Outlaw. And I just saw that. 1970s right here, bringing it back.
That paint job.
And T-tops.
Heck yeah.
Side pipes.
Side pipes, lower T-top. Look at that paint.
T-top right there. Look at the Budweiser gear shifter.
Check that out. Check out that purple, y'all. I was just joking with Vince. It's no Viola metallic, but that is crazy.
34 Chevy for sale, 100,000.
Could be yours.
Custom. Very nice.
Very nice.
The blinkers inside the tank.
Oh yeah. That's cool.
Or whoever the guy is that made fun of me for calling them blinkers on our account. Turn signals.
And then these are wishy-washies, guys.
You got the same back here with your brake.
Those are very cool. Very cool.
Then we got us a Charger here. Plum crazy purple maybe. Air grabber.
Mopar, baby.
I think you just said you had 160 in that right there.
160. What else we got out here? Just so y'all know how big this place is. I'm gonna insert some drone footage too, so y'all can see that drone footage. Just play
There's
that.
supposed to be around 3,500 cars here. They cap it off at that, so they didn't sell out as far as registered vehicles, but somewhere around 3,500 cars at this show.
Wow. And it just goes on and on and on and on. Cue party rocking. On and on and on and
Whatever happened to them?
One hit wonders of the 2000s,
Yeah.
but they had multiple hits, I guess, so. But very cool. How we doing?
Yes, I am.
Hey, I'm Vince. How are
Hey,
you?
Vince.
We're Creative Rock.
Ronnie?
Hey, Ronnie.
I'm Dylan.
Hey, Dylan.
Pleasure.
Tell us about your bubble top here, man. That's
Well, I've owned it for about 35,
Really?
38 years. Been under every shade tree mechanic in the country back towards Monroe. So after 30 years, this is where it ended up. And I'll show you a picture. I'm a Ford guy,
yeah.
but 61 Chevrolet's always been my favorite car of all. Had one of my buddies in school. I graduated in 1961. So
Okay, gotcha.
So when you had a red 61 like that one, but he was 3 or 4 years older than me.
Okay.
And I guess I took to like it. But I saw a magazine.
You picked a nice one, the bubble top.
This magazine,
What year is that?
2006.
Okay.
And I said, that's the prettiest color that I said, if I ever get, when I get around to it,
Yeah. Wow.
and I believe mine's prettier than that.
Yeah. So how long ago did you like resto mod it?
I've been working on it for the last 3 years.
Okay.
Pretty hard.
Yeah.
Pretty hard. So
Yeah. So did you take it to one shop or do you have different
well,
shops?
like I
do
say,
interior?
I took it about 10 of those shops
Okay.
through the years.
Okay, gotcha.
And done this and done that. And
Yeah.
done, but it's complete
What motor
body
you
off,
Yeah.
by everything.
Gotcha. Interior looks great. What kind of motor you got in it?
That is a 350 stroke engine, 383, I guess.
You drive it down from Monroe?
No, I didn't. This I haven't drove the car, but 150 to 300 miles in the last
still breaking
3
it in.
months, and I'm a little too nervous to, so I trailered it down. I drove it up to Ray Everham's
Yeah.
to his show in December, I guess it
Okay.
was. So
Yeah.
that was cool.
Gotcha. Nice. Well, thanks, buddy.
Well,
Awesome.
appreciate you stopping by
Yeah,
looking at it.
thanks for showing it to
Yes,
us.
This
sir.
is a
Appreciate it.
amazing car, and the bubble top is for sure a classic.
Yeah, and I had ever ran into a guy, don't remember how, a guy.
Okay, Dylan.
Oh God.
What was that for?
Because I knew this was coming. This isn't gonna be good.
We're gonna do a test, but this is y'all gotta be patient because this is a test he hasn't studied for. Okay?
I have not
I'm
studied.
just pop this on him real quick. So we're gonna go down this line, and he's gonna see if he can name what these cars are. Okay.
Oh boy.
So here's the first.
Y'all are definitely making fun of me. Is this a Chevelle?
You got that one right. Chevelle.
Oh yeah.
All right. How about this one right here?
That's a Chevy Nova.
Okay.
I saw Nova on the back corner.
He's doing good. How about this one?
That is a very good question.
Still make them today. Starts with a C.
Oh, Camaro.
There you go.
There we go.
Got that.
There we go. That's a
Big
badass
Chevy
one too,
truck.
by the way.
Yep.
I like that.
How about this one right here?
This is that not another? No.
Yeah, say it. You're gonna get it right.
Is it a Chevelle?
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
I was second guessing
Yeah.
myself.
Okay. This one right here. I don't even
No,
know.
I have no
don't-
clue.
I have no idea what that
No
is.
idea.
Okay. I don't know what that is. Or the next one. But how about this one right here? The white one.
I want to say. I'm probably gonna make. I don't even know. Is this a vet?
No.
No. Camaro.
No.
Chevy something. I don't
Yeah.
know.
You've already named it twice today.
Is it another Chevelle?
Yes.
No way. It doesn't
How about,
even look like the
how
other
about that one?
That's just mean asking me the same thing 3 times.
It's only going to get meaner.
That's a Camaro.
No.
Damn it, that's a Chevelle.
Yeah.
I put 2 and 2 together when you said it was gonna get meaner. It's just
How
a
about
row
that
of
one right there?
Chevelles.
How about that one?
Chevelle.
No. No.
It's a Camaro.
Okay. How about that one?
I'm pretty sure it's a Mustang.
All right, guys. Y'all rate them 1 to 10.
I
How
rate
do you
myself 0.
Actually, you did pretty good. You did pretty good.
I don't think so. Especially if we go to that side where the older ones are. I mean, he was nice. Chevys and Mustangs.
Yeah.
I mean,
Guys,
could have been a lot worse.
look at this place.
How about this? Right now, hey, editor, cue the aerial footage of the whole show. Cue it. Show it up.
Cue it. Hey, did you hear it? Cue it.
Cue it.
Cue it. QR8 it. Okay?
Yeah, QR8 it. You guys will find out what that is.
That's what you call foreshadowing.
Foreshadowing for sure.
All right.
That's a lot different than what's going on here.
Yeah.